Joining us live today is psychologist who's worked with the state attorney's office and authored 2 books. Dr. Eigen, thank you so much for being with us.
And thank you for having me.
Let's start with the latest news. You predicted these second-degree murder charges, didn't you?
Correct. In my blog about 3 weeks ago, I wrote an article, said I thought he was guilty of man 1, but they'll charge him with man 2 because it's too complicated and difficult, and there's too many conflicting stories.
So you weren't surprised by the announcement yesterday?
No, I was waiting for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk more about the Stand Your Ground law. That's certainly been at the center of the debate. We have it here in Georgia. They have it in Florida. What do you think this means for the law?
Nothing. I think the law had nothing to do with this particular case, and people were using it. Of course, the defense attorneys are going to throw anything they can at the case to slow it down and confuse it, but there's no stand your ground here. You know, very simply, and having I have a concealed weapons permit in Florida, which is where I'm from originally. And, you know, you cannot, it's a defensive posture. Once he called in the police and told them, you know, this is the situation, they said, okay, great, we're sending someone, don't follow him. That's it. And he then went to an aggressive stance and went after him, and the minute he did that, stand your ground was gone. In fact, if anyone could have raised that defense, it could have been Trayvon if Trayvon shot him. Mm-hmm. So that's what the stand your ground is about. It's about stand your ground if you're being attacked and defend yourself, but he wasn't being attacked, he was the aggressor.
Has it surprised you, though? I know the charges didn't surprise you, but did it surprise you it took as long as it did for them to reach that point?
No, absolutely not. Yeah. In fact, this whole thing about all the uproar that was made just made things worse and was unnecessary, because the stand your ground law in Florida is very simple. It says if you get arrested and you move for a speedy trial, there's a time limit from the arrest to the time that they have to have it perfected, and if they don't have it perfected, it's all thrown out. Mm-hmm. So the state's attorney did the right thing, which is to say, let's get all our ducks in a row prior to filing, which means now that he's been arrested, they obviously feel that their ducks are in a row.
Let's talk about Trayvon Martin, the hoodie.
Sure.
He had his hood up that night. The weather was bad as he was walking back to his father's apartment. What do you think of the accusation that he was profiled, and where do you think we are with race relations? This has certainly put a strain on things in this country.
I think this was improperly geared towards race, had nothing to do with race. The hoodie might have, you know, if you wear gang colors, you're going to be assumed you're going to be part of the gang. So that could have created something. But also, it just, you know, here was a person wearing the, what some people call the thug outfit, which has become very popular with the youth. And, you know, that would actually create some issue with Zimmerman. Now, Zimmerman was in the wrong, totally, for going after him. However, when Zimmerman approached Trayvon, I doubt Trayvon said, oh, how are you doing today and how can I help you? And I'm here because my dad's there. He probably got, who are you and why are you following me? And gave an attitude. And Zimmerman's already got adrenaline pumping for going after him, and you know, one thing led to another, and unfortunately we have the tragic consequences of it. So I don't recommend that one wear hoodies and project the thug thing unless one is willing to take the consequences, which is unfortunate. This is a tragic event, shouldn't have happened, you know, but this is the situation.
Dr. Eigen, thank you so much for joining us today and for sharing some of your thoughts on this case. We appreciate it.
It's been a pleasure.
Of course, this reminder that you can always get the